In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark gamma. If you've been creating slides or pages in Gamma and you're seeing a watermark on your exports, the official and reliable way to remove it is by upgrading your plan inside your Gamma account. This approach keeps everything within Gamma's terms, preserves quality, and unlocks a few extra perks along the way. Start by heading to the Gamma website and opening your workspace. Once you're in, look for your account or workspace settings. You'll typically find this in the top right corner under your profile or workspace menu. Inside settings, locate the upgrade or pricing section. This is where Gamma lists the available paid plans and what each one includes. Take a moment to compare the plans thoughtfully. You're looking for the plan tier that removes the Gamma watermark on exports and turns off default branding elements. Paid plans commonly include watermark removal, the ability to hide or replace Gamma branding, and higher usage limits. If you frequently export to PDF, images, or share public links, check that the plan specifically includes clean exports at the quality you need. It can also help to review whether monthly or annual billing makes more sense for your usage and whether features like custom branding, better export options, or increased generation limits are part of the tier you choose. After you select and confirm your paid plan, return to your presentation or page. To make sure the changes take effect, create or export your presentation again from within the upgraded workspace. If you previously downloaded a file while on the free plan, that old file will still have the watermark. Regenerate the export so the system applies your new plan settings. Give it a moment if the upgrade is fresh. Occasionally it takes a short time for the new permissions to propagate. As you export, double-check the export options to match your needs, whether that's a PDF for sharing, images for embedding elsewhere, or a web link. With the paid plan active, the export should appear without the Gamma watermark, and any default Gamma branding should be removed or customizable depending on your tier. You may also notice fewer limitations like higher quality outputs or expanded generation and storage, which can make your workflow smoother. That's all there is to it. By upgrading through your account settings, choosing the right paid tier, and re-exporting your work, you'll remove the AI watermark in a clean, supported way while unlocking features that make your presentation